Speak of the devil.
Oh, speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil. Speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil.
Oh, speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil.
Well, speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil. Say when someone appears just as you're talking about them. Example, speak of the devil. We were just talking about you.
So, what? Once every blue moon, Gus?
I think the technical term is once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon, people will surprise you.
Such a thing happens once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue goddamn moon, I guess.
Every once in a blue moon.
Just once in a blue moon.
Okay, once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon. Say when something happens very rarely. Example, I visit my old institute only once in a blue moon because I am usually busy.
Catch him red-handed.
I'm about to catch her red-handed.
Catch him red-handed.
We need to catch her red-handed.
Now we leap out, catch him red-handed.
You can stake it out and catch him red-handed.
Because we're going to catch those thieves red-handed.
In case you catch a thief red-handed, to catch him red-handed,
The actual concept is someone to blame.
Catch someone red-handed. To catch someone while they are doing something wrong. Example, the principal caught the student red-handed while he was drawing graffiti on the wall.
Barking up the wrong tree, pal.
Barking up the wrong tree here.
You're barking up the wrong tree.
Barking up the wrong tree, Philo.
Oh, he barked up the wrong tree. People bark up the wrong tree.
Barking up the wrong tree, McGrath.
Then she's barking up the wrong tree.
No, Beth, you're barking up the wrong tree, right, Hart?
You're barking up the wrong tree.
Barking up the wrong tree. To look for something in the wrong place or blame the wrong person. Example, you're barking up the wrong tree if you think I broke the window.
You guys jumped on the bandwagon.
I just haven't jumped on the bandwagon yet.
You jumped on the Obama celebrity bandwagon.
On that BS Saints bandwagon.
Reason for not wanting to jump on the bandwagon.
I'm not jumping on the Let's Get Meg family bandwagon.
So, are you jumping on this superhero bandwagon?
Or is also jumping on the Fuck Team America bandwagon.
I think you should
Every studio is jumping on the bandwagon, Dexter.
I'm jumping onto a bandwagon.
Jump on the bandwagon. To join an activity that has become popular. Example, when going to the gym became popular, many people jumped on the bandwagon.
2 peas in a pod.
2 peas in a pod.
2 peas in a pod. 2 peas in a pod.
2 sloppy peas in a pod.
2 peas in a pod.
We're 2 peas in a pod.
Seems like we're 2 peas in a pod.
We were like 2 peas in a pod.
Like 2 peas in a pod.
Like 2 peas in a pod. Very similar or very close. Example, those twins are like 2 peas in a pod. They look exactly the same.
Actors, a tenner penny.
No choice suicide.
Ten a penny.
Under that 10 a penny.
Princes in this town are 10 a penny.
Piano players I've got 10 a penny.
Hey, 10 penny ones dropping in the custard!
10 a penny. Very common and not special. Example, cheap motivational courses are 10 a penny these days.
The extra mile.
For going the extra mile, I mean.
I go the extra mile.
You still want those extra shifts?
It's called going the extra mile.
Speaking of going the extra mile.
The community.
Willing to go that extra.
But he's really going the extra mile.
I'm talking about going the extra mile.
We're going the extra mile for feeling.
Go the extra mile. To make an extra effort. Example, this mentor always goes the extra mile to help his students succeed.
Straight from the horse's mouth.
Me, straight from the horse's mouth.
Mine is straight from the horse's mouth, shall we say.
To get the truth straight from the horse's mouth.
I've some news straight from the horse's mouth.
There you have it! Straight from the horse's mouth!
From the horse's mouth.
Not until I hear it straight from the horse's mouth.
Okay, I want to hear straight from the horses' mouths.
Getting the scoop straight from the horse's mouth, so to speak.
Straight from the horse's mouth. Information from the person who knows best. Example, I heard about the accident straight from the horse's mouth.
Feels like 1.3 million bucks.
Oh, I feel like $1 million.
Like $1 million bucks!
Like a million.
I feel like $1 million in this.
Now make you feel like $1 million.
He'll wake up feeling like $1 million.
I feel like $1 million.
I'm feeling like $1 million this morning.
To feel like $1 million. To feel wonderful or in great health. Example, I feel like $1,000,000 after that workout. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. I hope I'll see you soon. Bye!